What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. As promised, when I did the carrot short, I told you I'd bring you along, show you how I harvest the seeds, and then I'll do another video when I plant them out. But basically all I want to do is start to rub my fingers over, and then that's the carrot seed that I'm going for. So here's all the carrot seeds I was able to harvest. So what I'm going to try to do is use this fan to blow the lighter seed into the bucket, and hopefully the heavier stuff falls down to the ground. So it did a pretty good job. There's a couple pieces that did blow in, but all I'm going to do is just pick those guys out. So I'll go ahead and I'll bring you back in a little bit once this is all done. So as I continued to do this, I found a slightly easier way where the heavy material kind of dropped down and then the seeds blew into the bucket. So with the bag I was using, it was kind of a pain to hold the bag and then still dump everything. So what I started doing is just taking small handfuls. So there's still a couple pieces, but most of the larger bits have just fallen straight down to the ground. So if I have to pull out a couple things, I'm not too concerned. But this is for me anyway, it's not like I'm selling it. So if I have a couple little pieces, you know, of the stem or whatever, I'm not going to lose any sleep over that. Yeah, so I have a bunch of seeds in here. I'm going to go through, pick out some of the bigger pieces and just get it, you know, mainly so I have just the seeds. But I think I definitely need a slightly bigger fan than what I had to make it a little easier. But all in all, the process was pretty good. Don't know if you guys have ever tried collecting and saving carrot seeds. If you have any tips, drop them down in the comments, so if anybody's reading. Also, if you have any ideas on an easier way, let me know. I'm definitely good on carrot seeds for a while. Yeah, so I plan on letting a carrot go to seed basically about every year. They're biennial, so the first year they grow the root, the second year is when they produce the seed. And as you see, I got a ton. I probably let about 4 go to seed this year, so I don't ever have to let that many go again. But yeah, hopefully if you guys found this helpful, make sure you give it a like. I'll go ahead and sow these seeds probably tomorrow. I have to clear out the container that I have the carrots that went to seed in, re-amend it with some compost, and then I can plant them out. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.